First up, Mexican banking customers are in the crosshairs of a fresh fraud operation. And the entry point is something you probably clicked 100 times this year. We're talking about CAPTCHAs, in particular, a fake CAPTCHA. Elastic Security Labs is tracking this threat actor as REF6045, and their payload they're calling SCMBanker. Targets include customers of Mexican banks, fintechs, payment processors, and crypto exchanges. So it's basically anybody in Mexico who moves money digitally. And here's how it works, okay? Victims will land on a page that looks like a routine, prove you're human check, but it's a little different. This is the click fix pattern that we've been seeing everywhere. Now, the page tells users to press the Windows key plus R and then paste a command that's already in your clipboard to verify your identity. Now, that command kicks off a PowerShell script that installs SCMBanker on that machine. So technically, there's no exploit, there's no CVE. It's just social engineering wearing a Cloudflare costume. Now, once installed, the toolkit is built specifically for banking fraud. What it does is monitors your browser activity, waits for the victim to log on to their bank, their fintech app, or their crypto exchange, and then hijacks the session or harvests their credentials for later cash out. Elastic's write-up actually walks you through how the operator structured everything, including their toolkit for that final money movement step, which is really kind of the whole point of the operation. Now, currently, affected users are concentrated in Mexico, which makes sense. But here's the thing. This technique is actually really portable. This will work in any region, any bank, any language, okay? So it's just a matter of time. You see, if ClickFix works against Mexican customers today, it's going to work against your customers tomorrow. And I should also mention here that there's no vendor breach notifications you're going to get because there's no single vendor affected. This is a user-targeted campaign here, folks. So the response falls on you to protect yourself. So here's what you're going to do, okay? If you pasted anything into a run dialog after visiting a CAPTCHA page, assume you're screwed, okay? You'll immediately want to reset any sort of banking or crypto exchange passwords, and do this from a clean device. You'll also want to rotate any credentials that you've used on your browser and turn on the hardware-based multi-factor where the banks support it, right? I should also advise you to check your recent transactions going back at least like 30 days just to see if they've already been screwing around with your money. Oh, yeah. And this one's really important, okay? Tell your less technical family members that no legitimate CAPTCHA will ever ask them to open PowerShell.